Hi, my name is Sawyer. I'm doing a review on a Prince of Persia Lego set. My first one ever. 6-year-olds to 12-year-olds, which I am 6. 57 pieces. Number 4 is 7569. Let's go on to the people. Here we have Prince of Persia. On the back of him, he's got like these swords that hold in there very nicely, and you can set them down right there. And I don't know these guys' names. They don't show the names. But these guys are the bad guys. These are like spikes coming out of his hands, I think. Or maybe they could be guns. I don't know. Scorpion, snake, and this is for the back of the horse right there. If you take that blue thing off. And first we'll do the horse. His head can go down. That's really the only action. You can like see any person in there. Now on to this thing. It's got a big bush, 2 spears, and a skeleton right there. And that can like do nothing. You can open that up, and there's 2 diamonds in there. Yeah, that's pretty much all to the set. What?
It's called the Sand of Time.
It's called the Sand of Time. It's the movie for it is Prince of Persia, the Sand of Time. Thank you for watching.